Everybody thinks it's cake, but you don't have to go to the fire or to the oven. Just mix it up and that's it. In a container, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 ml of coconut milk, 100 grams of grated coconut, it may be of your preference, and then just mix it up just fine. That's the point. Book next door. Now it's time to wet the cookie. Here I'm using cornstarch cookies and will dip in the milk. Once that's done, just put the cookies on a platter and intersperse the layers between biscuit and stuffing. After finishing, just put some grated
Tudo que eu
coconut.
faço, mano, eu coloco Deus com base, mano. E tipo assim, uma parada que. Mano, uma parada que eu não faço mais. Mano, por exemplo, assim. Por exemplo.
Refrigerate just to freeze.
Mas essa coisa eu não ligo.
When it freezes, it's ready. And look how beautiful this dessert is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A quick, easy, and a delicious recipe. And the best of all, super economical. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.